Morning everyone. Today's the chapter I'm going to discuss is the atom and molecules of class 9th, and the topic is the law of chemical combination. So topic is what? The topic is the law of chemical combination. In this topic we will study the different laws by which the atoms and molecules combine. Fine. The first law we are going to discuss is the law of conservation of mass. Means this law is followed by the atoms and molecules if they want to make the compound. If two reactants react, they form product, then they follow the law of conservation of mass. Now, law of conservation of mass, what does this law of conservation of mass signifies? That mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. This means that during a chemical reaction, the sum of the masses of the reactant and products remain unchanged. So mass will never gonna change. Fine. There is one activity where it is which is written here, which proves that the mass of the product and the reactant will remain the same. Means if two reactants are reacting with each other and they are forming a new product, then again the mass will remain the same. The mass will not change. Fine. Activity is what? This activity is of, fine, take some sodium sulfate solution in a flask. So in a flask you have taken the sodium sulfate solution and you have taken a test tube here in which you have barium chloride solution, and keep both of the apparatus in such a way that this test tube, the barium chloride which is present in this test tube, doesn't mix with the sodium sulfate solution, like in this manner. In this picture it is shown that in this manner, take a test tube in a flask in such a manner that the barium chloride solution does not mix with the sodium sulfate solution. Now weigh the beaker on a weighing machine. The weight here is the 300.23 gram, which you can see in this picture. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to tilt this conical flask so that the solution, barium chloride solution which is present in the test tube, get mixed with the sodium sulfate solution which is in the conical flask. Now both the solution will mix with each other and they will undergo the reaction. Now when they will undergo a reaction, there will be formation of product, and the product will be the sodium chloride and barium sulfate. So the reactants you have taken are the sodium sulfate and the barium chloride, and when you mix the two solutions, you got the product sodium chloride and the barium sulfate. Now after tilting both the mixture, after mixing both the solutions with each other, the reaction undergone, there is a formation of product. Now again weight that conical flask. Now when you will again weigh that conical flask on a weighing machine, you will see that the weight is again the same, which is 300.23. You can see in this slide. So the weight is the same before the reaction and after the reaction. So this activity signifies that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. It remains same. So this, here we have studied the law of conservation of mass.